Hi guys, it's Aakriti. Today we are opening this. First we're gonna open this. First we're gonna make this, then this, then this. Okay? We will make all of them that the box cannot fit. Okay, we got the first one. What is this? It's a fish. You can see this card. Okay. And I don't know what is this thing. Do you know? Well, I will put that away. God, my favorite thing, but I don't know. I don't know what her name is. Again, I forget. And we had the last one. Let me look at it like a box. Put up in there. This is my favorite part of this googly eyes. Do you know why I'm saying it to hide it? Because the inside the eyeball, the black one, it takes around and it makes me funny. So first we're gonna do this one. So first we're gonna open this up. I don't have to cut it because it has a sticky here. It's the sticky. And now we're gonna have, oh wow. So we have this card if you want to know. I don't know. This is not, I don't know how to read the section. The first thing we are using the bottom of it. The 10. The bottom and this part. This is late, I think. And the other one, I think the design of the part. You can see it, the design of the part, feet of the part, and leg. All of them together. Okay, now the math bag. What is this thing? I'm gonna figure it later and scan it to you. And it's a sticky pad in the back. We have the very big part for the green part of here, and the last part. It is this one not have a sticky pad. I think first, second, third. Okay, first we're gonna have to use this part. I think I want little help, but that's okay. So we got the first thing. Now the green part. This one has a sticky part, and I don't know which one to do it. I think this one is good or bad. I think this one, oh my god. I think I need somebody's help. So guys, I just paused the video to see. So we have to take this part out because I can see that. Too sticky. I think the of the glue is getting wet. So I have to utility do it. Too sticky. Oh my god. It was just sticking to my hand, and it just stick to that and then get off. Okay, I'm almost into the last one. That's not garbage. We have to put somewhere. But I'm not good at measuring heights. Sorry to make that noise, but I always do this. But so now it's done. Okay, that was very taking time. So that's done. So now the next part is you have to do this. Put that there. We have to take the care out. How am I going to do that? I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Oh, man, how you do that? The garbage there. We have to use the garbage. With that, go in the line where it came to. And yeah. Oopsie daisies. So now we're gonna do that. Oh no, that's okay. Okay, we're gonna put the sticky part out, put the working part. So we gotta put the sticky part. The part that we're taking a time. Okay. So you like it? I think so. So the next part. Can I just see the card? Okay, this part is to put the green part inside this part. We have to put the green inside this part. So look, come on. That was too easy peasy. Not care. Get it off. And then put this. Okay guys, I'm done. How I look beautiful. It looks so beautiful. I like. It's my favorite animal. I don't think they're my favorite animal. No, I don't think. So now we're finished. No, you're not finished. The row is finished. The box of this finished. The 4 layer they tell us. Will I do that? Wait a minute. Wait. We already had this. Wait. The next part is we have to put the little part. I'm just holding in my hand over there. How we gotta put it? I'm trying to put it correctly. That's how we have to do it. You could use new one. That's the one. So it has everywhere to I'm gonna just start doing it. It's gonna take a time, guys, to see what you can do. My hands are hurting. Okay, now. You like it, guys? It's all done. It's totally done. Now, what we're gonna do in the next part? I think it looks beautiful to me. The next part. So, we're gonna put all of this. Okay. Can I take a time? You can see that green pot where I'm putting my hand. That's the one. Guys, look at my beautiful. I'm sorry for that. Look at my beautiful. Look already beautiful inside the design. Now the next part. We're gonna turn it over. Okay, first thing. I don't know what is the first thing in here. This. So guys, my googly part is my favorite part. It already cut for us. So let's open it. So we are done with the face. Now we're gonna do googly eyes. Let's leave it there. Where the googly eyes? Maybe it fall. Oh, it fall under the table. Let me get it. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, I got my googly eyes. Thoughtfully, because it fall down. Oh, magic. Oops. I just put the glue because it didn't come. I did that. This is my favorite part because the eye moves. Look, that's my favorite thing. I already wanted this. It comes. Okay, guys, I think it finished. But where we put it? I think we should turn it over. Empty out. You God. Let it dry because I put the glue. Yeah, obviously we need a glue because this didn't come with the glue. So now we're gonna take this part, get the circle, like this, and it get out because we have to do it. This one don't have because it's gonna stick on the ground. Now we need the leg. Okay. I think this is very long. Take the. Oh, it's fitting. Fitting. Okay. That's it to the back. Where? Where? Now let's put this here. Tie it. Getting out on it. Oh wow! See that? Content forever here so you can see it. I can't wait. 1 minute. Let me look. Okay, guys, now you can look. Let's put the googly eyes, I think. No, wait. But we have to put this thing in. Let's put it. Bango. It. That's to it. This is our ear. And look like it without this. We put it like this. Yay! We are done now. I think it dried. Let's put it. The last one. Look at it, finger. What is it again? Tell me, guys. Okay, so this is Peacock. Peacock. And when the rain comes, he opens his feathers. The back of it. Okay. Bye, guys. I will meet you in the next video. We're gonna make this in the next video. Bye.